Hello guys, this is Biamkama Ronald, and today I'm going to be taking you through how I created a Java program to record a company called NextAIInc on how they calculate their base pay, their payments to their employees depending on the hours the employees worked. So as we wait for the NetBeans to load, we are going to go through a detailed series of how the code works, and I'm going to be taking you through each and every step of how I created this. So you can see in our NetBeans IDE, we are going to go to our project. Yeah, this is our project, and this project is meant to show you how employees are paid if they work on an hour basis, and how they are paid depending on the hours they work. So as you can see, this is our code, and I'm going to be explaining to you how this code works. So first, I used Java with Ant, since it allows lighter applications, creating lighter applications on Java. Yeah, so this import Java scanner is a functionality that allows you to insert. It allows a user to insert records into the program and input into the program when the prompt comes. So to start with, I'm going to start explaining. I'm going to start by explaining this public class, NextAIInc. This line defines a public class named NextAIInc, and a class is a blueprint for creating objects in Java. This class contains method and logic for calculating the contractor's weekly pay. Yeah, so it is a class that is created for creating objects, and it contains the method for calculating the weekly pay. So the next is our method. This line declares a method named calculate weekly pay, and it's a public, meaning it can be it is public, meaning it can be accessed from outside the class. And it takes two parameters. The first parameter is the base pay, which is the hourly pay rate in Ugandan shillings, and the hours worked. Yeah, the hours worked by a contractor in a week. So next we are going to be validating the base pay, and yeah, this is how it's going to be. So in our program, we validated it that if the base pay is less than 30,000, then the program checks if the pay is less than 30,000. If it is, it prints an error message and exits the method using return without calculating the pay. Yeah, hope you understand. And if the hours are worked are greater than 72, if it exceeds this value, it prints an error message and exits the method. Yeah. So as you can see, this is our program and this is our method, the method we used. So as you calculate, this block calculates the contractor's total weekly pay, and if the contractor worked 48 hours or less, the total pay is simply the base pay multiplied by the hours worked. And if the contractor worked more than 48 hours, the first 48 hours, yeah, the first 48 hours here are paid at the base rate, and the overtime hours are paid double the base rate. as you can see. And this line, it prints the calculated total pay formatted to 2 decimal places. That is the percentage, the 2F. It displays the total weekly pay for the contractor. So now we are going to the main method, which is the entry, the program entry point. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so this is our main method. It says public static void and the rest, and it acts as an entry point. So we are going to create an instance of the class. Yeah, this is how we create an instance of the class. And here an object named the company is created from the NextAIInc class. This allows you to call our method, which is the calculate weekly pay method, defined in that class. And then here we use the try the resources. This creates a scanner object named scanner to read user input from the console. The try with resources statement ensures that the scanner object is automatically closed after use, which is a good practice to prevent resource leaks. Yeah, and next here on the string, this defines an array contractors containing the labels A, B, and C for the contractors, and this is used to display which contractors details are being entered. And this is the loop, which runs 3 times for the 3 contractors. The loop counter I will range from 0 to 2, representing contractor A, B, and C. Yeah. So we are going to go to this line. This prints a message asking the user to enter the details for the contractor. It uses the contractor's I array to display the correct contractor label, e.g. contractor A. Yeah, so the next line, it prompts the user to increase the base pay input. This prompts the user to enter the contractor's base pay. And then the next is for the hours worked. As you can see, you have to enter the hours worked here and this. So yeah, so you are going to call the method to calculate and display the pay, which is this one. This calls the calculate weekly pay method, which is the base pay and hours worked values entered by the user. It calculates and displays the total weekly pay. Yeah, that's it. So and the rest, I think it is the closing scanner. Yeah, so this is our program, and this program is meant to calculate the base pay and the hours worked for each contractor so that it can output the salary. And if the salary is less than 30,000, then it will display an error. And if the hours worked are more than 48, then it also give an overtime or an error displaying the limit. So we are going to test this program. We are going to go to run file. Sorry. So we are going to run this program and see the output. So as the program is compiling, what we are going to do, we are going to enter instances for the contractor A, B, and C to try and see if our program is working as it should. So as you see, our program is saying enter details for the contractor A. So the base we are going to use 30,000 and press enter. So the hours of the first contractor were 51. So it gives us a value of 1,620,000. Yeah, so the second contractor, I think we are 20,000 something. Yeah, and the hours worked were maybe 48. I think so. Is it? So now it displayed an error saying the base pay must also be below 30,000 shillings. So for contractor C, I think the base pay was 35,000 and the hours worked maybe were 72. So you can see total weekly pay for the contractor was 3,360,000. You can see that our program is working. Displays the errors where necessary and the base pay and the weekly pay for all the contractors. So thank you for watching this video. For more other exciting videos I will upload.